All right, y'all. I'm out here. Got a new boat. Got to put in some rod holders, and I really didn't like how it was set up for the gunnel, as far as the strength of the gunnel. So I decided to make some reinforcements, and I looked, didn't see where anybody had anything. So this is what I'm using: C.E. Smith rod holders, and I already got my holes drilled. So when you drill it, just whatever your angle is, pitch it at an angle and drill them out. Pretty simple. And I took some 1/8 inch aluminum and I made these brackets here. And I can weld. If you can't weld, then all you do is, let's grab one of these over here. All you do is get some 1/8 inch aluminum, take your measurements, and you can cut this stuff with a saw. Cut it, take it to somebody, and just have them just TIG your edges. So it's pretty simple. But I'll show you what I'm talking about on these gunnels. On the boat, this is the boat, then a lot of them have these caps. And these caps sit in there, and they're not really enforced by much. You see how they put 5200 on it, and they put these little brackets to hold the cap, and a couple screws around the edge. I mean, it seems pretty strong, but if you get a big fish like I do and use electric reels, I want something that's gonna, I ain't gotta worry about. I don't want to lose my reel. So anyway, also gives you something to screw to. So here's what I did. I just broke me a piece of metal, welded it up, and I'll show you how it's going to look. And I just kind of scribed the center, put it in there. Now I'm going to drill that hole, and then right there. So I'm going to put 2 screws in it. I'll 5200 the back, and I'll put 2 screws in it, and the 5200 is what's going to hold it. The screws, you just keep it tight until it seals. But that's what it did. And it gets bigger as it goes up. So you'll see I made two marks on this one, but I had to get it just right. So it'll get in there. And that'll sit just like this, because I want it flat on the back. That's the biggest thing, is flat on the back. More than flat on the top. And that's it. So if you're putting in new rod holders and you need a way to reinforce it, this is the way I found, and it didn't take a lot of time to do. So, and of course I'm gonna paint these once I get them all cut out, get the holes cut, and I'm gonna paint them up. So anyway, I hope this helps you out. Give me a like and follow, and I got some more stuff coming. I've got a Garmin, the new DEC steering, and I'm putting an autopilot on here. So that'll be another one coming up. And this is what I did to rig it. I've got the new Quest, the Garmin Quest. So I might just kind of go over what I had to do with that one too. It was a job. All right, so you go in here. My bolts was way up there. It was a job to get to them. I had to get a stick and feel them. Couldn't see them. You had to feel them. So anyway, hope this helps. See y'all on the next one.